Namaste bachcho. Today we'll start with a new chapter, that is chapter number 9, and the name of the chapter is Sha Se Ha. So before getting into this chapter, let's do a small revision. In the previous class, we learnt about 4 Vyanjan letters. They are Ya, Ra, La, Va. So I hope you all have your notebook with you. Now I am going to write these letters here and you have to write it along with me. So the first letter is Ya. On the top, sleeping line. So after Ya, the next Vyanjan letter is Ra. A curve, and then you have to come down on the top, sleeping line. So Ya, Ra, and the next one is La. So you have to write like this, standing line, sleeping line. So Ya, Ra, La, and the fourth one is Va. Standing line, circle on the top, sleeping line. So these are the words which we learnt in the previous chapter. And the letters are Ya, Ra, La, Va. Once again, Ya, Ra, La, Va. Now let's start with our chapter. Here the first Vyanjan letter given is Sha. It has H sound, Sha. So I'll show you how to write it. So first you have to draw a small circle and then a curve, and you have to come down. After that you have to draw a standing line and on the top sleeping line. So I'll show it once again. A small circle and then a curve. You have to come down, standing line, and on the top sleeping line. So you have to write this Vyanjan letter in your notebook. This is the Vyanjan letter Sha. Now here you can see some words with Vyanjan letter Sha. So the first picture you can see it's honey, and in Hindi we say shahad. So here you can see the first letter is Sha, shahad, Sha-ha-da, shahad. The pronunciation is shahad. Next picture is of custard apple. Now this pronunciation is Sharifa, Sha-ri-fa. So with Ra we have E symbol, that's why it sounds Ri. Sha-ri-fa, Sharifa. That means custard apple. Third picture is of turnip. In Hindi we say Shalgam, Sha-la-ga-ma, Shalgam. And the fourth one is lion. In Hindi we say Sher. So here you can see A symbol on the top. That's why it sounds She. Sa plus A symbol She. Sher. So this is the pronunciation of Vyanjan letter Sha. Next letter is Sha. Sha. It has this sound S-H-H-A. Sha. I'll show you how to write this Vyanjan letter Sha. So first you have to draw U and then a standing line, and at the center you have to draw a short slanting line and on the top sleeping line. It's very simple. I'll show it once again. First you have to write U, then a standing line, at the center a short slanting line, and on the top sleeping line. So this is Vyanjan letter Sha. Now let's see some words with this letter. Shatkorn. Shatkorn means hexagon. Now why its name is hexagon? Because it has 6 sides. So the word is Shatkorn. Next picture is 6 legs. So here you can see an insect with 6 legs, and in Hindi we say Shatpad. Shatpad. So these were few words with Sha. Now this Vyanjan letter we pronounce Sa. So here the sound is Sa. So I'll show you how to write it. So first you have to write a small curve Then you have to come down and at the center sleeping line, and here you have to write a straight line, and on the top sleeping line. So once again I will show you. A small curve, come down, at the center sleeping line, and here standing line, and on the top sleeping line. So this is Vyanjan letter Sa. Now let's see few words with Sa. Sa say sapera. Sa pe ra. Now this sounds pe because it has a symbol on the top. Sa pe ra. That means snake charmer. Second picture is of orange. In Hindi we say santra. So you can see here this word starts with sa, santra. Third one, saint. In Hindi we say sant. Fourth one is of apple. We say seb. Now this sounds say because it has a symbol on the top. So sa plus a makes the sound say. Seb. Seb means apple. Now the fourth Vyanjan letter is ha. This is Vyanjan letter ha. So it has this sound ha. Now I will show you how to write it. So first you have to write a short straight line, and then you have to write S, but you have to stop it till here, and then you have to write C over it, and on the top sleeping line. Once again I will show you. A short standing line, and then you have to write S, but you have to stop it till here, and then over it you have to write C, and on the top sleeping line. So this is Vyanjan letter ha. Now let's see some words starting with ha. Ha say Hawai Jahaz. Hawai Jahaz means aeroplane. So here you can see ha sound. Hawai Jahaz. Second picture is of an elephant. In Hindi we say Hati. So it has a longer sound because there is a symbol. Hati. And the third one is hand. In Hindi we say haath. So these are the words which start with Vyanjan letter ha. Now there is an activity for you. You have to read these Vyanjan letters, record it, and send the voice clip in Microsoft Teams. That's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.